Good morning. Good morning, guys. Sabi mo, good morning, guys.
Papa Friday,
Ano yan?
we are champions.
Ano yung kinakanta mo?
We are the champions.
We are the champion.
Yeah.
Today is our uwi.
This is our
Wait.
hotel now.
Uwi ng ate sa Port Mac. And then, diretso tayo sa birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Summer.
Huh?
Ikaw ka mo pa tinatanong. Si Summer. Hey! Dadaan lang. Dadaan lang kami sa
It's flooding in here.
sa H-Mart at saka sa TNT. TNT ba? Lucky Supermarket pala yun.
What was that for to Daddy? Let's just say Daddy.
Lucky Supermarket. Kasi on the way naman siya pa-exit. So, doon na lang tayo pumunta. Ay, nagugutom ako. Doon na lang ako siguro kumain. Or ano. I don't know. Ako.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. It feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's do babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing.
Show them how did you brush your teeth, okay? Huwag kasing, ay, natanggal na. Okay?
Put it again.
Bibihis lang ako.
And I wet it.
Okay, go. Show them. Huwag mo nang ilagyan.
Because that's so spicy.
Wala. It's not spicy. Pambata na yan. Spicy.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
So, ito lang ang ating OOTD Basic White. Aray! White lang tayo for today. And then pants.
Ang sarap ng lechon.
Parang pumapayat ako.
That's good.
Yes, that's good. Then, gamitin natin itong pabango ng Miniso. Kasi mabango ito.
Nobody will.
Hindi na tayo.
Kids don't like Miniso.
What?
Kids don't like Miniso.
Gonna like. Bango. So good. Yan lang. That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.
Malayo pa yun, anak ko.
Kakainin ko muna itong Jollibee na natira ni Leon
Mommy, I
kagabi.
gotta bring my udons.
Sayang kung hindi uubusin.
Udons.
Isang buong chicken pa.
Bring my udons.
Yeah, bring your unans. Kain kasi. Ano pinagagagawa mo?
Then are you coming with me or you wait for mommy?
I'm coming with you.
Sobrang magiging mainit naman later. So, yung umulan, remember nung nag-swim, dami na parang nangyari. Anod na anod sa, ano.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight.
Na kami sa Lucky Supermarket. Ni Leon. We're gonna go get shopping.
Where's Daddy?
There, kukuha siya ng bag. Oh. Right? Right. We'll grab some card. This one. Wala silang no. There's no small shopping cart. Candy na naman siya. Candy na naman siya. Abang lansones.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here.
Tapos na kaming kumain. At mag-grocery ng konti. Grocery ng konti. And then, kumain. Pauwi na kami. 10:38 na. And then, may taho.
Hey guys! Guys!
$5. Parang $6. Taho.
Hey guys!
Guys.
I got this candy toy.
Yeah, Diana's candy toy. As always, candy toy. Lagi.
And
Siguro
I can
mga...
see the radio.
So, 1, 2, 3.
Pag matutulog ka ha, lagay mo to.
Baka 4 o'clock nandun na kami.
I added it.
So, kakain. Eh. Uwi na kami. Ohoho. Magpupuso.
Guys, I got this kind
Ayaw
of
mo na kayo, bibili lang ng kape.
I got this from that store.
Bili daw kape si
Hey guys,
Eric Bill.
guys, Guys. Hey vlog,
Vlog.
can I talk to the vlog?
Talk to the vlog.
Hey guys, look what I got. This candy toy. It's 5 million bucks. Because this is the candy toy because I just taste. See? See? Do you see it? I'm gonna try it out. Yummy. And my dad's coming.
That is Scottish golf. That is the home of golf. And that is true proper
My dad is too rough, guys, because he actually and I scream hard.
Traditional radio, you could be putting up with 10, 15, even 20 minutes of interruptions every hour. Visit www.sirius.com/go to sign up online quickly and activate your radio. Say goodbye to commute
Bye, guys.
flipping through the
Mommy, here's your camera.
and say hello to commercial-free music. Nearly every genre available nationwide. Become a Sirius XM subscriber today.
Bahay na kami. After 5 years, char. Init. Yung mabilis na haul. Yung regalo namin sa birthday mamaya. Damit sa Gap. Bakit nawala? So, ito dress. 4 years old yata yun o 3. Lagyan natin dito sa Gap. Nalagyan. Tapos, ito. Kasama nito. Yan ang ating ireregalo. Asan yung presyo? Wala. Tanggalin natin ang price. $24. Yan, naglalagay na lang dito sa suko. Hindi na alok. Tapos, yun na lang. What? Susulatan ko na lang mamaya. This one. And then ito sa coach. Itong wallet. Ito sa ate ko. Ito sa aking friend. Ito sa ate ko na. And then ito kay Eric Bill. Wallet. Yan. Tapos medyas sa $5. Ay, 7. Medyas ko. Tsaka t-shirt. Dalawa na tig na $10. Sabi ko, magpapalit na ako ng wardrobe. Yung na puro t-shirt, pero nagiging t-shirt pa din ang aking nabibili. Yan. Tapos, Tapos, bag ni Dion sa school, sabi ko bumili na kami. Nakasila siya 34. And then, yung sapatos ni Eric Bill. Yan, yung itong mga resibo dito. Tapos na natin ang mga resibo. Hindi naman nakakailangan ng mga resibo. Yan. Papalikot sa taas mamaya. Ang kanyang kiss. Ito ay unan sa ikinan. Kasi si Dion tinanggal yung ganito. Yung una kong purple at pink. Tapos ito. Sa IKEA ito. 3 times. $12 lang to. Tapos mga ziplock. Wala na yung magkakasama eh. Walay na. So yun lang. Tapos itong carpet. Rug pala. Gusto ko kasi yung nalalaban. Ito kasi nalalaban ito, diba? So parang pwede siyang ang tawag na pwedeng kabilaan.
Mommy!
So ito siya. 119. Saka ito pang pillow ni Eric sa IKEA. Sabi ko nga, mahilig. Dami siyang unan. And then, grocery lang. Konti lang. Ayan lang. Tapos to. Ito naman ay baunan ng dalawa sa susunod na pasukan. Wala na, lang yan. Tea, peanut butter, kape, toyo, yung Nestle cream. That's it. And Nido. Ito Nido. Then Yakult. Asan yung isang Yakult?
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
Yan na ang ating rug. Yellow, black. Yellow, black. Ayan. Washable to. Washable. Mamaya mo na ilagay yung table mo ha pagtapos mo kumain.
Mom, I need to cover it here. Because it's hard.
Because what? So guys, kami ay paalis na papuntang birthday. Ayan, palit lang kami. Naligo na sila ni Emmy. Ako hindi ako naligo. Kasi mahirap mag-ano ng mga aking buhok patuyo. So ayan, may maagang apakainit. Mag-alas 6 na. Pero maliwanag pa. So I'm closing the vlog for today's video. You say bye, Dion. See you again sa susunod na mga araw.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye, vlog.